Yes, feeling myself, honey. I'm so excited to share with you guys today how I achieved this braid out using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey collection. And I'll be highlighting the products I use and how I got this look. Stay tuned. First, you want to start off by utilizing their moisturizing dry defense shampoo and then using their moisture replenishing hair mask.
Daniel's on the track.
I always like to finger detangle as I apply the mask just because it allows you to begin the detangling process but not being as stringent as the denman brush would be. So after letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes or 30 minutes if you're like me, or overnight if you took a nap, you want to rinse it out and then apply the detangler. I always like to separate my hair into sections because it makes it just easier to handle when you're looking to detangle and looking to start your process. So you can already see how quickly this detangler is working. I'm like, all right, I can get jiggy with it. I'm showing y'all my curls. Let them know they popping. I'm loving how you can already see the definition and how the curls are just so bouncy and already separating on their own, literally just from detangler. And now we're going to move on to apply the leave-in conditioner. I love that they have a spray bottle, which makes it easy to dispense and to apply to your hair. Then we're going to apply the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream, which I love because it's a really thick consistency, which is perfect for my hair texture. I love the moisture, the creamy, and I love the smell. Oh my God, all the products smell amazing from this line. Now you want to take this section into 3 pieces to begin the braiding process.
Daniel's on the track.
So you want to try to create 3 even pieces in width and length for a consistent pattern. Essentially, that'll help alleviate any borrowing from another section, which really increases the chances for tangles. And use your denman brush as needed to continue to detangle as you're braiding the hair because you want it to be as defined as possible. Now you repeat the steps in each section. So leave-in conditioner, twisting cream, oil, detangle, braid. Y'all remember how I said how I love the squirt bottle? Yeah. I love it when I actually have it aimed towards my hair and not my eye. Lay struggle, okay? Lay struggle. Rookie move. We're gonna get good though. We're gonna take care of it. you want to make sure that your hair is completely dry. One of the major components of a defined braid out is to have completely dry hair. Apply oil to your hands and your hair to help with separating.
B. Daniels on the track.
Now let's separate. Make sure to carefully separate each braid slowly. You want to make sure that you alleviate any frizz or tangles that may take place if you move too fast. So take your time. I'm personally a fan of big hair don't care, so you want to use a pick to create fullness and to fill any gaps that may be within your I like to slay and lay these edges, so I like to use their moisture infused edge control. And if you know anything about Creme of Nature, you already know that Argan Oil edge control is bomb.com. So I was hoping to expect the same results with their pure honey line, and for sure they do not disappoint. Do y'all see these edges, honey? Laid and slayed.
B. Daniels on the track.
So now I just want to spice it up a little bit, put some gold accent hair pieces in there just to give a little stank on it, you know, like a golden Egyptian goddess. So I want to be able to create a variety in this look versus just the standard braid out. I wanted to put some extra on it. Tell me guys what you think. And here is the final look. I'm really loving my results with the braid out. Very moisturized and defined. No crunchy feel to it. No flakes or residue. And I love the accent pieces as well. So if you guys haven't tried out their Pure Honey collection, I would highly recommend doing so because I'm feeling myself. Okay. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see new videos from me all the time. Ta-ta for now.